Hello everyone, my name is Razia. I have finished my master's and USMLE steps. So I'm here to offer you something. Um, from the past few days, I have come across some people who are interested to know where I personally rotated and who I rotated under, whatever. So I wanted to give back um, what I seeked from previous mentors and experiences. Maybe it will work out for you. And that is the main intention behind offering you and telling you about my deep, close core experiences, since it is very close to me and personalized. I would love to connect with each one of you to be able to tell you more in detail about the rotations I have had. Um, and then you could decide for yourself if you could make an appointment with the same rotations I have had. So one of which turned out to be a unpaid rotation, and then there was another rotation where I was observed by a PD. He was very good at observing my skills and also trying to help me with how best I can be in different ways possible to the role that's going to be um, may or may not, I mean, to a role like a doctor, like a physician in the US. So um, he was a very good person who gave me a feedback on my performances, and I truly appreciate that from the bottom of my heart. So I'm wanting to give away these feelings, these experiences to you guys. And so in this process, I got to know some people was really very interested. There were like bunches of messages propping in, uh, for which I could not go addressing each one of them. And it was confusing in the end to actually make out who is very much interested and who is not. So let me pull out some questions. One of them asked me where this rotation was and how they can enroll into it. Um, so one of these rotations was in New Jersey and North Bergen County. It was one of the best experiences. So one second, give me 1 minute. Now, what works out to you cannot really determine if it works out for other person. You may think in this direction. I also have an answer for that. So it's all it's all dependent on your mindset. If things work out in your favor, that could probably be your subconscious mind working towards the goals you have in your mind. And lot of times this shows up in your work. Believe it or not, it does. At least it does to what I have been experiencing so far. So, not only in this area, I have my eyes set on several other things currently. So, just from the personal perspective, I think we need good amount of guidance, especially when it is related with US medical clinical rotation experiences. So a lot of times we were doubting if this rotation is good, if it's authentic, if they would give me a lot. There are so many questions. We would always walk in with these doubts. In the end, it turns out well, somehow. So that's how it is for me at the moment. So if you are interested to know more about these rotations that I have had, I would really love to connect with you personally. Message me link below in the comment, and I will see to it as to how I can address each one of you separately through my um, experiences and guidance. So mostly it will be through Instagram, or you could also text me in the Telegram. My details, I will try to tag them down below. Just leave me a comment if you're interested to actually do these rotations as well. And that's all for now. I'm giving away this, like, I think we need seniors, right? Sometimes we are lost. We don't need any, like, we need something, but still there is that emptiness behind. We go into things. And I have been there. Back in my home country, I've had my seniors, I mean, my higher colleagues who were in the gr- fourth year, fifth year, when I was in the first year. They would always guide me at every step of the way, um, whether it was to do with exams or whether it was to do a certain rotation at that time. It would give me a feeling where I would feel comfortable, at least because I was being mentioned about that from someone. So, based on these feelings, I think I am now wanting to be uh, like that someone who will actually talk about it to you, and probably you could get something out of it. That is what my incentive is behind this. So, yeah, comment below, and I can connect with you. You can also ask me more questions. That way, we can get started. All right, then. All the very best to what you're doing. Keep shining and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.